Welcome to this introduction to Value Stream Mapping, or VSM. In this video, we'll explore how VSM can revolutionize your processes and help you uncover hidden inefficiencies. Value Stream Mapping is a powerful tool for visualizing and analyzing the steps required to bring a product or service to the customer. VSM allows you to see your processes holistically, identify waste, and plan targeted improvements to drive efficiency and value. In today's complex environments, it's easy for bottlenecks and losses to remain hidden. VSM provides the big picture needed for clear analysis. Without understanding the full scope, delays, unnecessary costs, and dissatisfied customers can become the norm. VSM changes this narrative. VSM has its roots in lean manufacturing and the renowned Toyota production system. It has been used for many decades with proven results. Developed within the Toyota production system, VSM focuses on optimizing manufacturing processes, but its benefits are not limited to just production. Today, VSM is applied across various fields, including IT, services, administration, and healthcare, proving its adaptability and effectiveness. At its core, value stream mapping is about visualizing the flow of both materials and information through a process, identifying losses, and eliminating them. It focuses on visually tracing the path from the initial request to the final delivery, ensuring all steps are clear and accounted for. One of the primary goals of VSM is to identify and eliminate muda, which are activities that do not add value to the process or the customer. To create a VSM map, it's important to understand the basic symbols, such as process boxes, inventory triangles, and different types of flow arrows. Each symbol represents a specific aspect of the process, making the map easy to interpret and understand. Building a current state map is the first step, which documents the current process as it exists, providing a starting point for analysis. This involves defining the value stream, going to the gemba, or the place of action, drawing the process sequence, and collecting data on site. Muda, or waste, includes activities that do not add value, such as overproduction, waiting, transportation, and unnecessary movements. Recognizing these 7 or 8 classic types of losses is essential for improving any process through VSM. After creating the map, it's time to analyze it to determine value-added time, total lead time, and identify areas with significant time losses. Key metrics such as value-added time and total lead time are critical in understanding the efficiency of the current process. To truly grasp the power of VSM, try mapping a simple process, such as making coffee or sending a letter. This exercise helps you see familiar processes in a new light and identify bottlenecks and waiting times firsthand. After mapping, reflect on what you've discovered. What was surprising? Where were the biggest losses? Consider how this changes your view of the process and what you might do to improve it. VSM is more than just a map. It's a visualization, analysis, communication, and planning tool all in one. It makes the invisible visible, helps identify losses, creates a common understanding, and forms the basis for future state planning. We encourage you to try mapping a small process and share your insights and aha moments in the comments section. Share your findings, ask questions, and exchange ideas on how processes can be improved using VSM. Let's learn together.